Good day, this is Jack Fox, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a first. I'm going to try and do a first open package lock. Haven't done that before, and I've also added a lavalier mic to my phone to hope to make my voice clearer, my quality of my sound much clearer. So I hope both of them work today. I have a Master M187XKAD. Got it at my local Home Depot. And I am going to try and pick it with a Sparrow's offset diamond using bottom of the keyway. Let's see here. This is awkward holding it this way, but that's the way it goes. Here we go. This is a 4-pinner. Difficulty shouldn't be too high. And there we have an open. Great. Success. There it is. And let me close it back up and try and rake this if I can. Using a Sparrow's worm. Sometimes the wrench gets caught in the plastic there, and you have to pull it out a little bit to free it up. And there we have it. Oop, almost. Boom. My first. Thank you for watching. I hope the sound is greatly improved. See you next time.